Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
MDC Kamaulai constituency uba te berlang patau harangkat berkirang ba snong jong Kamaulai hene ka janmit kelaya kendu yo menteri rangba ka jela ukon rat sangma manyakren halor kasuk kasain hapo kasnong ka thau bat hakathan hi bro ka wei hakane ka jingya kendu nakaleng kane ka kanhun kabalalam khamat do MDC kelaya kren halor bantung da ka judiciary inquiry halor ka jingjia kabalajia ha ka khalai terik menta ubnai Nakaliang menteri rangba ka jela ula pentip baka kenhun menteri ha ka jingya kendu jongki kila shim ya karai bantung da ka judiciary inquiry halor kane ka jingjia Shushu kane ka kenhun ru kala dawana menteri rangba ban pen kerja no ya ka ketem CRPF na maulai nongkwar pat ya kane menteri rangba olokular basyan ya gini ki ketem CRPF kabadon ha maulai nongkwar pat ha jingking maulai an pen kerja no syaki wei pat ki jaka
Ini por kat rumah senong, kat ni ngut ki rumah senong jok senong mulai keting kalau halok ni jingja kalau cia pok senong mulai kelawara keting susi di babon, buat kita ngelam senong ru kelawan kejengkit ke bakia ke bede buat penjam mekanika jinglong jengman pok senong mulai, ke nak liang juga madam staf kalau fun siam mau bangi dan kam banyak kendu banyak keren kat ni ki kam habis jinglong jengman pok senong mulai, isu tanat bola ipor ni banyak kendu. Tiga jingwan juga ini kepor kalau bagi kuat pen tanda no ini kecing jah beri ceki pos mulai. Paling skim tang lawan raat lagi jekran museum kemat beri kedua museum kawai kalau baka sarkar kan tung ya ka kenhun toket ke belaju no judicial inquiry ke bamnum dan menum ba la ban interfere kata kena makan dan kecing toket ke bakut ke subah. Dan kalian museum mana Ulang bagi ladap inisiat kata nak yang ke sarkar kala tung judicial inquiry ke bakut ke subah ke ban head of judge ya ke bakan long kata kecing toket ke ba bet berarti ban ke bakam sutanat ini kesingi mentah bagi kendu ringkat bagi rong basnong ki badan kecing sukian tak senong mulai kemut ngisim ki rong basnong borok senong mulai ke long halor kani ke CRP kam ke badan hang tepo nongkwar ke badai ke we ni ki sok prung ke bamal ke jeki hang te kan dan be kecing hurura kecing kelumar dan kata-kata ngiwan kumki nangilam senong bat mangaw nang mikmat bat ngisim lang ya borok ki rumah senang pempoy lang ni keporu bat ong usi ambon pengkerja no yang tu ke CRP kam tu nama kadai ke sok pudung kadai kum kangap ke batang sulak bakala ngami kecing hurira tu bat menen miru kecing jah mulai nongkor kadai nak kadau jung ni CRP te kawai ke basotana ni kepor ni da sotana benon ki du siam kolong ba yakini shen ke sarkar kan pengkerja no mentakil ayo ke caka nak liang ke department ke pengkerja no basisian bagi lami tu CRP tu kalau ke jingkemen yang iso nok so mulai bat ke bakam sotana su kolong busiam uang bahak tu ke caka sesena no ki kenja training center lan ki skill training center lan kan no ke pentak ke bidi kon sama kapan lo ke jingmen toy nam taki nong mulai jungi kam tambat nam taki wir kon sama ke bedina jela ke jung ya kah
Banwen
ya kan nation tambah kalau ngelaya keren kamat jong usia miula keren ya ke IG CRPF bana ke IG CRPF kalau menjur ya kata bakin pengkerja nana kete ke sarkar shen nganumla ban ongkat no banai mo tamrang ni setu ba ni kimin ti swai Christmas ke sarkar kan pengkerja no ya ni CRP kam na ketika cekak ke ba napo mulai nokor mendai tay kete baro CRP kam ki badan ya ka jingking mulai lu ka CRP kam ken sakria lang matu coba Pau yo siam habedi begini usiam lu long kade ka kendiak ladan hi kacing bakala nak liang ki department tingi nak liang ki rumah senong tingi penpau kini apa bidan kami rumah senong covid pi bentur ki keman ladai pat kepor nam takane pat nak liang ka principalment ka ya lak tingi apen song kita ngis kam ada di nang ni kin sutu ba ki jung kordo to dor pasnong makini di bepet ki ba kamet pasnong potabat kumang lakran ru ngom ba ka diskonsel ru kan satho ka sarkar ba di ni ka sarkar haba ka penan kam ka por ka dan kam ki rumah senong ka dan kam re kum makini ka por ka penan kam kini ketika we ka ba ni penpau ki jing sosi nak liang ka jongi ya ka ba sarkar kamla ban pet baka haba kiwan apa so patah ki di benda kenjok tin ikin ngelam senang kanang bakan don kecing bit jingbiang bakan num don kecing pentut ikin so senang ha tek senang
rumah senang jok senang mulai nukar ngadap kecing sungguh sisa ya ka yo konrat sungguh sarjing konrat sangma bari ba pustun di kredisi mestar Namar ba kai ka bang ilay kun pros kata ada ki arpo arsan arus nam ipa mangin ben mai itu serpim rai undan papatiaw mono rai hauni ba mata season 1 ula ai ka asaran yang iba nin ya Penle ikini ke berkhot bat hakajo kapor hakmat jongi jongi rong ba senong berkhot dong mulai badan ne ula kolar hiba ula phone si IG jong CRPA tai berkhot dong la penyo jakas po mau deng mungkin shift no sendan mendai tang ya ka mulai nangkor bat ya ka jiki mulai ruangan shift no mar kalong ka jing ba mendai tang mulai bat ikinong jaga ru kumjo tena kaliang ka senong mulai nangkor ai play si bun to play unang kertu ya kini ki Chief Minister jongi deputy chief minister jongi kinang yo kamer usai beklan kinang pai yakini ka jing sistem jongi pai ba komjuru habai dai ba ka jing khlan kendit jongi ba sistem kiru ulakular hi kai bagi pai ba ki kwa mangin sim da ka judicial inquiry ru ong ngito ngihun hi da kata ru namar ka kabinet ka bagi sang mener ong ngilai ra hi da kata te nga ai khublai ki bar khot kan ka kabinet bagi nang yo ka sisa diklan kinang yarap yangi ki jat ngri jongi bagi nang yo ka sumsuk sumsan kini ki jing chenan na du mansua hi ki seilong gumne kan ba seidon itu ki seikat ki bon seikat ki paketing ki seikat kini kita tinggi latip lupa tibabun haki volunteer ki sang samla bat kilong kumi ngisai ap lupa ngim ju sya gitu ki kena bakin man sa surok lani kin man tur sakman tu ti kala sujal ka jana om tu tentang ru kala pois jing mai pramangi pramin so sinang ru rai ka ai jing ja manen pat tu ngim pai perkhat ai ka tu jing ja ba manen ngi kam pai perkhat ai ba kalong accident fi ngi mar pai ba perkhat manen tu brang wan ban on tap na stoi ba se likana ngom dang idon ka jing ram ka jing ki kuna samla ma bawa ngi bala kham he ngi la kham jai jai lai reu ki khna ki kham samla te long kidang khlut kidang don ka jing dam te manen ka sing ngim la lai ai ru rai dei ka jing mi pat jong kilong kumi ka jing mi jong pai ba babun hi basuki suki la sitwal ka twa hi kilaiwan berkhat kinong terkam sinong kilaiwan lut berkhat te ka dei tang kata hi bat ba ka jing kwa jong samla ong ban dei ban phat to ki pulet ki CRP nak to sti serum te nda kila phat maki te ki hun hi kata kalong kum ne fi manen ka to ka jing ja manen ka bang ngim su thu su thang ma kajing jan dala sipu buji salor kila sipuan kila siphat kila sipu pawan situ don bola thia don bom tip don bom lai ai kajing ja hi bar khat gadi hi baga kajing ja na ka kali jong CRP hi to bagini ki CRP kajing ja sipu la ka ja man tau wei arngut ang to lan thlong kimi nang thi na kem ta kimi kiwan ka banian kiwan na ki kiwan kim tip ya kadang kadu kim tip ya ke berkhat subam na phang surung sa sunong sa thau surung sinu sto subam ki yem ki breu subam ki ke berkhat katu ka ka pen inkhong kini ki samla jong ifi ten takadao ini ki kumi lekra menen ka singi ki mi sisa ki mi bon bahai ki spa ngut ki mi ki pentem kini ki kena la samla jong ten hawar kata ka nore misa jem
Today, the local MDC from Maulai constituency, Shri Taiborlang Pathau, along with 9 Rangbashnongs from Maulai area had met me to discuss about some of the current issues that are there, and also regarding some of the issues in regards to Maulai area. First and foremost, they mentioned about the recent incident that took place on the 13th of August, where the MDC and the other headmen, the Rangbashnongs, have urged the government that in the interest of truth to come out, a judicial inquiry should be constituted, which should be independent in nature. So I informed all of them that the cabinet in the afternoon has already taken a decision to constitute a judicial inquiry. Second was the issue of CRPF camp, which has been a temporary camp for a very long time in Maulai area on a land that belongs to the Art and Culture Department. Therefore, based on the memorandum that was submitted by them, I had a quick conversation with the IG from CRPF, and the IG had expressed that if the government can give an alternative location and can give a permanent site to the CRPF, they would be more than willing to shift to that new location. Therefore, that would be a situation which would be a win-win situation for both sides. And based on that, the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister also was present in the meeting, and the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister and myself have given an assurance to the committee that has met us this evening that we will immediately start the steps necessary to shift the CRPF camp from the Maulai site to a permanent location, which would be in the interest of the CRPF as well as the residents of Maulai. At the same time, we have also urged the Rangbashnongs and the MDC and other leaders for Maulai that they should also play an active role in order to ensure that peace is restored in Maulai area and in Shillong city as a whole. I'm happy that the Rangbashnongs and the MDC have responded very positively, and they have told us that they will do everything in their capacity to mobilize people and inform them and ensure that no further incidents take place, and to ensure that peace returns back not just to Maulai area but to Shillong city as a whole. So it was a very positive meeting, and I'm hopeful that after this meeting we will see more positive results, and not only from the aspect of ensuring that there's peace in the area, but also ensuring that the problems related to the Maulai area also are addressed. And in this area where the land is being occupied by the CRPF, we are also proposing that we should have some youth center and some cultural center, something that will be productive for the youth of that area. So that also was discussed, and we will further discuss in detail on how we can develop that area for the benefit of the people of Maulai. Thank you.